Hello friends, welcome to my Go Technology channel. So today I want to show you how to install the Windows Server 2019 domain controller. So first you need to go at start option, and then server manager. Then manage, let's see. Alright, manage. Then add roles and features. Next, again next. Then active directory domain services, add feature, next, install. It will take a few minutes. Let's see. Still taking the time. Right, so it's the already done. So what is the change after install it? So you are seeing the yellow sign at here. So it's a one pop-up, remote this server to our domain controller. Okay, so after that I can click here to rename the one left here. So add a new forest. Okay, then you will give a name. What will be your domain name? So I want to get lab.com. Then next. Okay, then one password need to set here. Next. Again next. Next. It's a one skip, so no matter. Just next. It's a final phase. Let's see if it will be all okay. Alright, so it's the completely done. So I'm just install it. It's a some checking point. Still it's taking bit time. Right, so it's the final page. So after install completely, it just restarting automatically. So after restart login again, let's see the change after install the Windows Server 2019. Active Directory services. So after restart done, then log. So what is the difference after install that? So previously it was only administrator, right now lab 0 slash administrator. That means I added one domain lab, that's why it's showing right now. So after login I can show you the main change. Second, alright, this is the page already have come. So if you go to tools, then you will see the Active Directory users and computers. Let's see. So it's a lab.com is our domain. So after domain have all things at here, so you will just to make the organization unit or make the individual login users, etc. So thank you very much for this session.